In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option explaining sliding filament theory. For this, let me avoid the wrong option. After understanding the various segment of the sliding filament theory with this pictorial representation, in sliding filament theory illustrating diagram, we can see the Z disc is because of the actin filament. If you're talking about the M line is the center segment of the myosin. If you're talking about the titin or elastic filament is attaching the myosin along the Z disc. If you're talking about a sarcomere is a functional unit existing between the two Z discs. With all the specification, we are specifying that actin and myosin do not shorten but rather slide passes away each other during the muscle contraction and relaxation. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after avoiding option A, C and D. What are the points we told with this picture and option? We are elaborating again back so we will get a better clarity. Actin filament move forward from neighboring Z zone to the H zone between them during contraction. In H zone, they completely overlaps the myosin filament and links with them, forming actomyosin chain. The Z zone are becoming closer together as a result of actin filament inward migration. Hence, the sarcomere and I band lengthens get shortened and shorter over time. Since actin filament from two sides ultimately meets together at the H zone, the H zone also becomes shorter and shorter and finally disappears. The A band length, however, does not vary. Therefore, actin and myosin filament do not shorten, rather they slide past each other is the correct response. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after avoiding option E, C and D.